Dhruva, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a comparison video, and apart from doing product review videos on this channel, I have thought of also doing these comparison videos because I feel that whenever we are about to make a buying decision, we often get confused about which brand to go for, and I feel these videos will really help you out while you are making a purchasing decision for yourself. So I'm going to be including these comparison videos or one product versus the another product videos on this channel, and I'll be at least doing 2 videos of these sort on my YouTube channel every month. So today's video, as you must have read in the title, is comparison of 2 aloe vera gel, 2 very famous aloe vera gel. One is from Patanjali and the another one is from Wow Skin Science. So I'm going to be comparing these 2 aloe vera gel for you guys, and these videos are not going to be sponsored. These are going to be my general opinions, and I'm just going to lay out all the pros and cons about these products, and in the end tell you which product I prefer the most. So to know which aloe vera gel I personally like the most, you have to watch this video till the very end. Also, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle and travel, and I try to upload videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So make sure you subscribe. Also like this video and press that little bell icon so whenever a new video goes live on the channel, you get a notification. So like I said, we are going to be comparing aloe vera gel from 2 very famous brands, Patanjali and Wow Skin Science. So let us quickly begin. So let us first talk about the packaging of both these aloe vera gels. Talking about the Patanjali, it comes in this tube kind of a container, and it has a flip cap like this. So it becomes really easy to take the product and use it in your daily routine, and also it becomes very convenient to use it even while you are traveling or any of that sort. Talking about the Wow Skin Science, the packaging or the outer appearance of the bottle is shaped like a aloe vera leaf, and I feel that's really cool. Again, it has a flip cap which makes it really easy to travel or keep it with you in your bag or to use it for an everyday use. The plastic that the outer plastic or the appearance, this plastic is a little thinner compared to this. This is really hard and sturdy if I were to say, but I feel both of these are very convenient. There's no minus points when it comes to packaging. I really like the appearance of both these tubes. Next, talking about the availability of both these products, Patanjali, as we know, it's available everywhere. Earlier, only shops that sell products of Patanjali used to keep it, but now every medical store has this gel. So when you talk about the availability, this is very easily available. It's even available in Big Bazaar, D-Mart or any shop that you can recall, and it's even available online. So yeah, it's very easily available. But Wow Skin Science, it's available on their website. You can order it from their application. You can get it online on Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, but I'm not very sure if it's available in retail stores. So this you have to order it only online, whereas this you can order both online and offline. So when you talk about the availability, this is very easily available, whereas this is not available in regular stores. Moving on, comparing these two on the basis of their price. So this is a container of 150 ml and it is priced at 90 rupees, which makes it really cheap. Whereas aloe vera gel by Wow Skin Science is of 299 rupees for 150 ml. So obviously there's no comparison. This is way more expensive than this, and this is like 150 ml for just 90 rupees and this is 150 ml for 300 rupees. So obviously this is way more cheaper than this. Moving on, talking about the consistency or the appearance of the gel. So this gel is a very light green colored gel. I am sure you can tell over here also looking at the product that it's light green in color. So yeah, it looks like this, really light mint green color kind of a gel. Light in texture, gets absorbed really easily. Talking about aloe vera gel from Wow Skin Science, it is like really transparent. It has no color. It's like just this white colored gel. Again, very gets absorbed really easily, totally gel like. formula, and I have used both of these, so I do not have any issue with the product. None of these have ever caused me any skin reaction or allergies of any of that sort. So usage wise, both these gels I feel are very similar, and Patanjali's gel, I have been using it for over 4 to 5 years since it was available in the market. Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel, I've started using it since the last 6-7 months. So yeah, that's about that. Now talking about the ingredients of both these aloe vera gels, which I feel is the most important aspect. So when you check out the description tab of the aloe vera gel by Patanjali, it says it has 90% of aloe vera in it. It has not mentioned what the remaining 10% consists of. So we really have no idea of what the remaining 10% of the aloe vera gel has. And it does have some color, because obviously it's green in color, and aloe vera gel, if we have used it straight from our garden, we know that it is like really transparent in its color. So it definitely has some color, and it also has some fragrance, which I feel if you have used, you know that it has a signature scent to it. So probably the remaining 10% we don't know what it has. So 90% of the aloe vera gel, of the contents of the aloe vera gel is aloe vera, but there's no information about the remaining 10% of what it has. Moving on to the aloe vera gel by Wow Skin Science, they have very clearly mentioned that 99% of the content is pure aloe vera extract, and about the remaining 1%, even they have not mentioned what the remaining 1% of the gel consists of. But one additional thing that they have written on this is that this product has no parabens, no silicone, no mineral oil, no color, and no synthetic fragrance to it. So these guys have clearly mentioned that their product does not contain any sort of parabens, color, silicone, or fragrance or mineral oil to it. Whereas these guys have not mentioned anything of that sort. So we don't really know if it has silicone or it doesn't have silicone, or it has parabens or it doesn't have parabens. But I know for sure that they do have color and some artificial fragrance to it, because obviously you can tell by looking at it and smelling the product. Whereas there's obviously no color, but I wouldn't say they do not have any fragrance, because when you smell the product, it does have a very mild scent to it. Okay, so moving on, both these products or both these brands are India's home brands. So if you are for the cause local for vocal, then both these brands are Indian brands, and you can choose either of these products, but you will be supporting an Indian brand or a brand of Indian origin. So that's a really good thing. So that way I am very happy with both the brands being Indian brands. Okay, so coming on to the final verdict or final decision of which aloe vera gel I prefer the most. So honestly, I have tried and used both of these aloe vera gels, and I have never had any sort of reaction or any of that sort, and the results of both these gels are very good. But if I were to choose between these two, I would go with Wow Skin Science. Reason being, firstly, it has 99% aloe vera gel and this has only 90%. So if you are looking for a product which has more of the content that you want, then obviously I'd go with this. Plus, since they have mentioned that it has no parabens, silicone, mineral oil, there's like this mental satisfaction that you get that this product is free from all those harmful chemicals that brands or skincare products have these days. So just because of that particular reason, I'm choosing this as my take on both of these aloe vera gel. Yeah, so that's it about the video, and if you want to purchase either of the aloe vera gels, I have mentioned link to buying these products in the description box below, so you can check that out. And let me know what you think about this video, because I plan of making more comparison videos of such type on my YouTube channel. So let me know if I should do that or not. And if you have made it till now, make sure you give it a like and also subscribe to my channel, press that little bell icon, and also share it with girls and guys you feel might find this video useful. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye.